In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can make it to where you have a different header on your first page of your report in Excel than all your other pages. So first you need to be able to get to where we can actually edit the header. And to do this, we need to make it in the page layout view from a normal view. So to do this, we go to the bottom right here. As you can see, we're in normal view. We just click the middle one to page layout view. And as you can see, now we're in a view that shows different pages. And for temporarily, just kind of have a page number thrown right here. But to edit the header, we just need to click into this top right here. And then you're going to see a little window that pops up at the top, header and footer. Click into that. And under options, we can make it to where we have a different first page. And as you can see, if you have content on multiple pages, it will make it to where the header right here will go to first page header. So if it unchecked, it just says header. And clicking the different first page, it says first page header. So we can say, first, I'm not sure what we want to put here, page title. And then as you can see, we go to the bottom right here, second page or other title. And then we scroll down a bit more. As you can see, other titles on pages 2 through N, and the first page title is different. Now, one thing to note is that you do have to have stuff on multiple pages for the first page header to work. So here we're in empty workbook. Go to the page layout view, click add header, and this has nothing on it, right? So we click header and footer, we click different first page, and it just says header. To have a different header, if you just want to adjust the header, put something on the first page, scroll down, and then put something on the second page, like that. And then just there's something there, and then now it will adjust and say first page header. So you can go ahead and just adjust the header to be what we want it to look like. So hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for all the support. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Have a great day.